Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm owner of a Google partner company. I'm also Google Ads and Facebook as a Bing Ad certified advertising professional. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, hi, what type of ad is this? How is it called? It is longer than usual and shows multiple product services below the traditional first paragraph. Thanks a lot for your help. So let me see that. Okay, so this is actually a basic ad with product descriptions, but in case you may sometimes see ads like these on side link extensions, but this is not side link extension, but this is product offers, and you can have them through side link assets on it, so that every link is shown with a description on what kind of uh, that page is about. So in case if you want to create or learn, there is a free tool by Korea Keroya, and you can also see the URL on it. Yet that can help you in figuring out what can be done. For instance, if someone wants to see, now this is a basic ad. If I add Silent extensions, so you can see now this will appear. And if I add hello, this is all about authority. Okay, you can see over here, and I can have a lot work is needed to be done. So you can see that these are side links, but if I add the side link description, that is the main part. Like this is how you can create this ad. Like I say product ABC. Now I'm going to describe what this is, a great product, you will love it, you will love it. Now you can see the side link description, and you may be wondering it, you can see over here that this is being shown over here like this one, and this is the exact same question which we have asked like this. So these are side link descriptions, also known as side link assets, and through which you can see. But in case you can also see other things through it as well, like you can see call out extension in your ad, you can see call extension, your location extension, you can learn about advertiser ratings. So you can have a lot of stuff over here. I'm just trying to show you how what kind of other ads there are on Google as well. Like pricing or deal section is a very good ad which I personally like, because that is very catchy and that helps you in grabbing the customer's eye. So I hope this answers the question. So in case if you're looking for a professional help in creating a Google Ads campaign, Namemetic can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us to get an awesome, amazing campaign. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.